Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working in Subnautica game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Subnautica game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Subnautica game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here first select the disable Steam input and then restart the game, and after restarting the game check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. If that doesn't work, then again right click on Subnautica game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game, and after restarting the game check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. Fix 2. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in Subnautica game or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera, or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So please check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly, and if you're using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve gamepad or controller not working in Subnautica game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.